strawberry. Grocery kami today. So, ano siya? Talunis. 2 pieces. Bacon. Is that 2? Oh, okay. 2 packs of bacon. Is that longanisa. Tajay. Ground beef. What we need pa chicken legs. Ito naman tayo sa ayan. Chicken legs. Uy, dagko kayo. So big. Chicken legs. So big. Alright. Yeah. I have bulalo. Where I cook later. I have still pink fish. Yes, and shrimp and king crabs. Or the mix. Yeah. 1 box. Yeah, so we got king crabs. 1 box of king crabs. How about this one? It's 1 pack of seafood medley. At least with clams and squid, no?
With shrimp.
Yeah, with shrimp.
Good?
Yes. Shrimp. Okay. Alat shrimp po kani siya, limpyo na siya dahil panglaga na siya dyan na shrimp po.
You want this?
Yeah, at least clean already.
Yeah.
Okay, that's clean already. Yeah,
I
sure.
don't know what they cost, but
There's no price. No, I do have price. 21. I don't know. There's no. Mga shrimp nakapack. So, ubang limpyo na. Ubang na pa'y paanit.
32 ounces. What is this?
Nickel. Next.
They're all the same. That's what you usually get. What do you want? It's the same amount.
This one. More shrimp. Red and green. This one na lang. Yan. Looks good naman siya. Green
You
and
need corn.
red. Yeah. Corn.
Mushroom.
I have still 3 but for bulalo yun. Yes, no, needed mushroom. I'm tired to eat mushroom and also broccoli. No need. I'm tired to eat broccoli. Not for now. Yan. We have corn. Ayan. Yung corn natin. Then next. Yes. Bananas. Yes, this one. Bananas.
What else?
1 onions, 1 and then garlic.
You're not going to get one onion. You got to get a whole.
Onions. Gusto niya ko 1 pack po
You
no.
want the red?
Yeah, red color. Alright. Onions, dagko kay Jay. Big. Then, tomato. Only 1 tomato, the big. Yeah. Garlic.
You got to buy a whole thing of tomatoes here.
Okay.
You can't buy 1 tomato.
Oh. We got garlic. Then next.
Avocado, $3.49.
I don't like.
Right there, $4.99.
Oh, okay. This is masarap for egg.
Yeah.
Tomato. So dito nilagay yung may galit na tayo.
You don't need nothing else, do you?
Yeah.
You got seasoning?
Yeah, we got seasoning. We have seasoning.
You got magic Ciroc?
Yeah, yes. I have still rice also.
Yeah, you got right. You don't need nothing from the Asian store, do you?
Just the black.
Korean noodles.
Yeah, Korean noodles. Then we don't have vanilla, Coca-Cola vanilla. How about your water?
Why don't you try something different?
Oh, different water. Then, that is a water. Water. Whoops. Yeah.
You gotta help me, dear.
Okay. Diet na sa Jai. Ang at mong gipamalit ka turang mga kailangan.
Still got
Sin-
snacks for food?
Ha?
Does he still have snacks?
Ang snack ni Santino sa school. Baunin niya sa school. Mga naka-carton, ayan, naka-box. Iba-ibang klase. So, beiges ni siya. Dari sa banana. Pretzel. Pringles. I know he likes Pringles.
I don't know. I'm asking you.
Pringles. Yeah, he like it.
He likes Pringles.
Yeah. Because when
They come in cans.
yeah,
That's it.
yeah, on the cans. Yeah, Pringles, yung snack. Out na to, silk pala. Lati Market, this is the Asian store. Asian store, Jai, Korean, Thailand, Vietnamese. I don't know if they're Filipino. So, well, ba, Asian, they mix na siya. Mix
You
yung
like
mga...
those Pringles?
Palit na. Dadalag basket. Palit siya sa iyang gagmatoy na apple. No, han, just may guava if you want.
Come on.
Just guava. The guava. What is this?
Guava over here.
Lang.
I know your apples are over there, but I don't know what it is. Where's
Ayun.
the guava?
Well, I'm going to find out. Guava. Where's the guava? Asan na yung guava? Uy. Where's the guava? Asan na yung guava? Where's the guava? Diyan, nakalimutan mo kung guava siya ito dapit kay. Okra na lang. Okra. Okra, Jay, okra. Anong okra nila dyan? Anong okra, Jay, oh. Ang butas ito, gatang guwapa, oy. If no guava, just jackfruits na lang, daddy. Okay. I do not so guava.
Give me the goddamn thing.
Just jackfruit na lang. Ay, ready? Guava or jackfruits? Do you want jackfruits? Ha? Jackfruits na lang. It's okay, jackfruit na lang.
I don't care.
No, like guava basta jackfruits. Where's the small one? Is all is big. The small one lang, daddy.
You got apple right here.
Pineapple. Hello?
Give me the goddamn pineapple.
Oh. No, I have to remove the skin, Centino. And the small. Which one? Gusto niya ng one? One?
Yes.
Yung small lang, small.
This is small.
Oh, sige, go, hold.
Oh, sir.
Go.
Oh.
Your daddy is there, oh. Woo! He's small daw, he said. He chose that.
Is it good?
Hey, he chose that. Where's the small?
Ain't no small.
Oh nga, bull is big.
Small in the back. It don't look good.
Oh nga.
That's the smallest one.
This one.
But this looks better.
Looks better, this one. Sige, go.
Put it in there.
Okay. Jackfruits. Let's go.
No, all I want is noodles. That's it. Just noodles.
Ayaw nga pala. The noodles.
Yeah, I know. I guess you forgot about that too.
Ay. Finally, you tell me.
Tell you.
I almost forgot.
You tell me all you want is noodles.
No.
That's why I hear $40 a noodle.
Hala, lagot. Rich. Ah. Ay, there you go. Korean black noodles. Oh nga, this one. Oh.
Is that him?
Yeah, there's a lot of them also there, but this one is okay. Hey, this is this
I
parent.
don't know what it is.
This is for adobo. Wait lang. With the ano na yun? Ay, big man yan. Sana yung iso ah.
Yeah, you're going to get the 600 pesos.
Ay, the small, where's na ba the small?
The one you just had. The first one.
Oo nga, this one.
This one right here. This one right here. Sweet potato.
Sweet potato.
This is the brown one.
Okay. Because with vegetables, I saw last week kasi with vegetables, the pictures. Kami.
Yeah, they don't have this one? That's the one I normally get.
Santino Galgalo po. Where?
On there?
No, in here. Oh, right here.
Right here. There you
Right
go.
here.
See it lit up?
Right here. Okay. Namijay. Ayan. Manamig ko sa Rijay. Pero sa Bejes, Mijay. Muhapit pa mi sa kuan. Palit pa kong sutang black Korean. Black noodles, Korean. Then, vanilla ko. Kana na lang ang last day. Gamayon rin ang Ujay. Hindi na palabig. Gusto dahil, hindi na palabig. Si Rijay. Okay. Anyway, nag-grocery taga si Mama naman mag-grocery Jay. Pero palami Jay kay magtigom Jay ug kwarta Jay kay para makatayo og balay sa Pinas Jay. Sunduan na mo sa Tiano Jay. Kay alas 4 na. Sa Sekas. Sunduan na mo siya sa Sekas Academy. So that's it Jay. Wow. So pretty cloud, orange.
Hey, we come
Yeah,
down,
the
you'll see the
bridge.
blue roof of Daly's place.
So beautiful. Color orange.
Right, Tino? Tino,
What?
the blue roof by the stadium.
What?
The blue roof by the stadium. You see the blue roof?
Did you see the blue
See it?
roof? That's the
Right over there.
stadium, football stadium.
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 The blue roof.
Bisaya. Yeah.
Look how pretty the roof is on that.
Nga, is
Look at the red, white, and blue bridge over there. You see the red, white, and blue bridge?
you mean the blue with the blue lights?
No, the blue, right across. Red, white, and blue.
Okay.
Going across the bridge. And then the blue lights is a roof
It's a roof.
to where concerts, the arena where the concert is behind the football stadium.
No, it's a pretty color, the clouds, ano?
Yeah. 2 years we have a brand new stadium.
For 2 years?
Now, 2 years they're going to build. In 2 years they're building a brand new stadium there.
Oh,
It'll
really?
be done.
So we can go. No, very expensive to go there. To get. Because they have roof. So very expensive
I'm
now
not
to get
sitting
there.
in rain.
If they have
Pay them
roof.
$30K to go sit in the rain.
No, if they got a roof. Resort looks good. Sa Pamcos tayo, Pamcos. Aris na ni may boss ang grocery. Sa Pamcos, kadalasan diri manirahan mga older people. So nata sa Beijis. Beijis. Clearance na ni Boss Mike ang ating groceries. Kanindot sa Saturday. Oh, daghan kayong mga pine trees diri. Uy, sa Amerika. Kadalasan pine trees. Job sites ni Javi. So there is me for a while. Duha ka job site iyang work. Yan. Fire station pa rin siya dito. So yung company nila nagpapatayo ng mga fire station. So this is the second job site. Hindi kang adlaw karon ba? Ayan oh. So, yan ay office. Katulad kay Habi sa first job sites, ganyan din ang office. So, helicopter. Helicopter. Puro. Malaking ibon. Malaking ibon. Uy, nadool magkakang kamera naman sa mami.